The universe is vast, and tonight we stand on the verge of a monumental event. A rare and extraordinary cosmic visitor, known as 3I divided by Atlas, is about to make its closest approach to Mars. This is not just another asteroid, it's the first confirmed interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Tonight, 3I divided by Atlas brings with it not just the promise of unprecedented observations, but the potential to unlock the mysteries of the universe, offering us a glimpse into a realm beyond our own solar system. The discovery of 3I divided by Atlas in 2017 was a breakthrough moment in the field of astronomy. Discovered by the Atlas system, a network of telescopes designed to track near-Earth objects, 3I divided by Atlas was initially thought to be a typical comet. However, as astronomers dug deeper into its trajectory and speed, they realized this object was unlike anything they had seen before. It was traveling at an incredible speed, 16.5 kilometers per second, and it was not part of our solar system. It came from another star system, from beyond the reaches of the sun's gravitational pull. It was an interstellar traveler, a wandering visitor from the vastness of space. When scientists realized that 3I divided by Atlas was not bound by the gravity of the sun, it became clear that this object was merely passing through our solar system. Unlike comets or asteroids that orbit the sun, 3I divided by Atlas was on a one-way journey, hurtling through our solar system and continuing its path toward an unknown destination. It's a fleeting visitor, but its passage through our solar system provides a rare opportunity to observe and study an object that has come from beyond our cosmic neighborhood. As 3I divided by Atlas approached our solar system, it moved swiftly toward Mars. With each passing day, its proximity to the red planet grew closer, offering astronomers a fleeting window of time to study this interstellar wanderer in unprecedented detail. But what made 3I divided by Atlas so unique was not just its interstellar origin, it was its appearance, unlike any asteroid or comet we had ever observed. The object's elongated, cigar-like shape, coupled with its glowing cracks, caught the attention of scientists around the world. These glowing fissures, which emitted a faint greenish light, suggested that 3I divided by Atlas had endured extreme conditions as it traveled through space, possibly influenced by cosmic radiation or impacts with other celestial objects. For centuries, scientists have theorized about the possibility of interstellar objects entering our solar system, but until 3I divided by Atlas, this had only been a subject of speculation. Now, we have the opportunity to study a real interstellar object, something that has been traveling through space for millions of years, perhaps even longer. Its origins remain a mystery, but its existence serves as a reminder of how much we still don't know about the universe around us. 3I divided by Atlas's approach to Mars marks an incredible moment in our exploration of space. This encounter offers us the chance to gather data that could change our understanding of the cosmos. As 3I divided by Atlas makes its closest approach to the red planet, astronomers are using the most powerful telescopes and instruments available to study it. With its high speed and unpredictable trajectory, 3I divided by Atlas is a challenge to track, but it's also a treasure trove of information, holding secrets about the conditions of other star systems, the nature of cosmic radiation, and the forces that shape the universe. But this is not just about the science. The very presence of 3I divided by Atlas in our solar system invites us to ask deeper questions about the universe. What other interstellar objects are out there, waiting to be discovered? How many more objects like 3I divided by Atlas are silently passing through our solar system without us even knowing? The study of 3I divided by Atlas is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a reminder of the vastness of space and the endless possibilities for discovery. Every interstellar object, every asteroid, every comet that passes through our solar system teaches us more about the universe and the potential for humanity to explore beyond our own world. As 3I divided by Atlas draws near to Mars, the event becomes even more significant. Not only will it pass close to one of the most iconic planets in our solar system, but it also provides an opportunity to learn more about the mechanics of these rare objects. This will allow scientists to measure the object's size, speed, and trajectory, providing crucial data about how such objects travel through space. The glowing cracks on its surface, perhaps created by the forces of space and time, will be examined closely, offering clues about the conditions it has encountered throughout its long journey. It's easy to get lost in the excitement of this moment, but it's important to remember that the data gathered from 3I divided by Atlas's passage could have far-reaching implications. The study of this interstellar object might reveal new insights into the formation of stars and planetary systems, offering clues about how matter behaves in the far reaches of space. It might also give us new information about the origins of the solar system itself. And as we continue to explore and study other objects in our solar system, 3I divided by Atlas's visit reminds us of how small we are in the grand scale of the universe. Mars, of course, has been the subject of our attention for many years now. Its surface, its atmosphere, and the potential for life on the red planet have driven missions like NASA's Perseverance rover, which is currently studying the Martian surface in search of ancient life and signs of water. While the main focus of tonight's event is 3I divided by Atlas, it's important to acknowledge that Mars plays a key role in our ongoing exploration of the universe. Just as 3I divided by Atlas's interstellar origins challenge our understanding of space, Mars challenges our understanding of life beyond Earth. The potential to one day send humans to Mars to build colonies and explore its surface has long been a dream for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. In many ways, tonight's encounter between 3I divided by Atlas and Mars represents the intersection of two incredible stories, the story of the Red Planet and the story of an interstellar traveler. Mars, with its ancient surface and possible history of water, has been a focal point in the search for signs of life beyond Earth. Meanwhile, 3I divided by Atlas brings with it the mystery of the cosmos, the possibility that there are other worlds, other civilizations waiting to be discovered. Together, these two objects, one a distant planetary neighbor, the other an interstellar stranger, remind us of the infinite possibilities for exploration that lie ahead. As 3I divided by Atlas passes near Mars tonight, it's more than just an event, it's a symbol of humanity's ever-expanding reach into the cosmos. We are no longer bound to the Earth alone, we are reaching out, exploring, learning, and discovering more than we ever thought possible. And as we watch this event unfold, we are reminded that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. As 3I divided by Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, the excitement surrounding its passage grows. The object is moving so fast that it's only a fleeting visitor, one that will soon be gone, continuing its journey through the cosmos. But in the short time it remains within our solar system, it offers us a unique opportunity. A moment to study it, to learn more about its origins, and to understand the forces at work in the universe that brought it here. Astronomers around the world have been watching 3I divided by Atlas closely, tracking its every move as it heads toward Mars. Tonight, as it passes the Red Planet, we have the chance to observe it more closely than ever before. With its unusual shape and glowing surface, 3I divided by Atlas has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The questions about this object are endless. Where did it come from? What is it made of? And what secrets does it hold about the nature of our universe? Unlike other asteroids, 3I divided by Atlas is not just a remnant of our solar system. It is an outsider, a visitor from a distant star system, traveling through space at an astonishing speed. It's the first confirmed interstellar object to pass through our solar system, and as such, it represents an unprecedented opportunity to study something that has never before been studied. Objects like 3I divided by Atlas have never been encountered in our solar system, and the data we collect from it will provide new insights into the formation of stars, planets, and even life itself. The high velocity of 3I divided by Atlas, about 16.5 kilometers per second, makes it a challenging object to track. It's moving so quickly that it's not bound by the gravity of the Sun, meaning it won't remain in our solar system for long. After its close pass by Mars, 3I divided by Atlas will continue on its journey into interstellar space, heading toward destinations unknown. This means that our opportunity to observe it is fleeting, making tonight's event all the more significant. Scientists have been using every available telescope and space-based observatory to track its path, and they will continue to monitor it closely as it makes its closest approach to Mars. As it nears the Red Planet, 3I divided by Atlas will pass within 18 million kilometers of Mars. While this may sound like a vast distance, in cosmic terms, it's incredibly close. For comparison, the distance between Earth and the Moon is only about 384,000 kilometers. So when we say 3I divided by Atlas will come within 18 million kilometers of Mars, we're talking about an incredibly close encounter by the standards of interstellar objects. And while this distance may seem large to us, it's close enough that astronomers will be able to observe 3I divided by Atlas in greater detail than ever before. The approach to Mars offers an unparalleled opportunity to study 3I divided by Atlas. With powerful telescopes, scientists will be able to measure its speed, analyze its composition, and map its surface features. The glowing cracks on its surface, which have sparked so much curiosity, will be studied in great detail, possibly revealing new insights into the forces that shape interstellar objects. The data gathered from this event could help scientists better understand the conditions in far-off star systems and the processes that lead to the formation of asteroids and other celestial bodies. But studying 3I divided by Atlas is not just about understanding this one object. It's also about what it tells us about the larger universe. The fact that an object from another star system is passing through our solar system challenges our current understanding of space. It suggests that objects from outside our solar system are far more common than we previously thought, and it raises the possibility that there may be many more interstellar objects out there, traveling through the galaxy and entering our solar system without us even noticing. If 3I divided by Atlas is just the first of many, what else might be out there waiting to be discovered? The study of 3I divided by Atlas is also important because it could provide clues about the origins of our own solar system. By analyzing the composition of 3I divided by Atlas, scientists can compare it to the objects that make up our solar system, such as asteroids, comets, and planets. This comparison could reveal similarities and differences that could help scientists understand how our solar system formed and what materials were involved. Perhaps 3i divided by Atlas holds the keys to understanding the building blocks of stars and planets, offering us a glimpse into the processes that led to the creation of the solar system we call home. But as exciting as the scientific discoveries are, there is also a sense of wonder that accompanies the passing of an object like 3i divided by Atlas. It's not every day that a visitor from another star system comes to call on us. The sheer rarity of this event adds a layer of mystique and fascination to the encounter. It's a reminder of how much we have yet to discover, how much of the universe remains unexplored. And as we look up to the night sky tonight, we are reminded of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. 3i divided by Atlas has traveled for millions of years, across light years of space to arrive here, and we have the privilege of watching it pass by. For many people, this event is not just about science, it's about the sense of wonder and awe that comes with the discovery of something new. It's about the feeling of being part of something much larger than ourselves, of participating in a moment of exploration that will be remembered for generations to come. For those who have spent their lives studying space, tonight's event is a culmination of years of work and research, a moment when the mysteries of the universe come a little closer to being solved. For those who are new to the world of astronomy, it's a chance to witness the incredible wonders of the cosmos firsthand, and to be reminded of the beauty and complexity of the universe. As 3i divided by Atlas draws near to Mars, it's clear that this event will have lasting implications for the future of space exploration. The data gathered from this close encounter will help us refine our methods for tracking interstellar objects, improving our ability to detect and study other visitors from the stars. It will also help us better understand the types of objects that exist beyond our solar system and how they might interact with our planets and other celestial bodies. The study of 3i divided by Atlas also opens the door to future exploration. If we can learn to track and study objects like 3i divided by Atlas, it may one day be possible to send missions to these interstellar visitors, to study them up close, to land on them, and to gather samples from them. Just as we've sent spacecraft to study distant planets and moons in our solar system, we could one day send spacecraft to study interstellar objects like 3i divided by Atlas, gaining even greater insights into the nature of the universe. As we await the arrival of 3i divided by Atlas, it's a moment for reflection. It's a reminder of how far we've come in our understanding of space, and how much more there is to discover. We have learned so much about our solar system, but the universe is vast, and we are only scratching the surface of what's out there. 3i divided by Atlas is just one of many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And as we continue our exploration of the cosmos, who knows what other wonders we will find. In the coming hours, as 3i divided by Atlas passes near Mars, we will see it in greater detail than ever before. And as we look up at the night sky, we'll be reminded of how small we are in the vastness of space and how much there is yet to discover. Tonight, we are part of something larger than ourselves, a journey of exploration that will continue long after 3i divided by Atlas has passed us by. As 3i divided by Atlas draws nearer to Mars, the excitement in the scientific community intensifies. This close encounter offers the rare opportunity to study an interstellar object in real time, and the data gathered will help answer crucial questions about the nature of objects that travel through the vast emptiness of space. But beyond the technical aspects of this event, there's something more profound at play. The approach of 3i divided by Atlas serves as a reminder of how little we truly understand about the universe and how much we still have to discover. Despite its high speed and relatively small size, 3i divided by Atlas carries with it the potential to unlock a wealth of information about the cosmos. Objects like this are typically hard to study because they move so quickly and are difficult to track over long periods of time. Yet, with the advancements in modern astronomy and the powerful telescopes at our disposal, we have the tools necessary to observe 3i divided by Atlas as it makes its approach to Mars, capturing data that will be analyzed for years to come. One of the most exciting aspects of this encounter is the opportunity to study the asteroid's surface in greater detail. The glowing cracks that run across its body suggest that 3i divided by Atlas has been exposed to extreme conditions throughout its journey. Perhaps it has traveled through regions of space that have subjected it to intense radiation or collisional forces. Perhaps the object itself is a relic from the early days of the universe, carrying with it the secrets of long-forgotten star systems. The study of these cracks will offer us insights into the physical conditions of interstellar space and the way objects from other star systems behave once they enter our solar system. But the significance of 3i divided by Atlas is not limited to its surface features alone. Its velocity, the speed at which it travels through space, offers scientists a glimpse into the forces at play in the universe. The asteroid's high speed, faster than most asteroids in our solar system, suggests that it was ejected from its home star system, likely as the result of some violent event, such as a planetary collision or the gravitational influence of a nearby star. These high-velocity objects are relatively rare, and by studying them, we can better understand how stars and planets form, how they interact with one another, and how objects are ejected from their home systems. As 3i divided by Atlas nears Mars, the excitement builds in observatories around the world. Telescopes are being aimed at it, data is being collected, and calculations are being made in real time. This is a moment in history, one that will shape our understanding of the cosmos for years to come. Every observation, every measurement, and every piece of data we collect from 3i, divided by Atlas, will help us better understand the origins of our solar system, the nature of interstellar space, and the forces that govern the universe. In the coming hours, 3i divided by Atlas will pass Mars at a distance of just 18 million kilometers. While this might seem like a vast distance in human terms, it is incredibly close in cosmic terms. To put it in perspective, the distance between Earth and the Moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers, meaning that 3i divided by Atlas will pass by Mars about 47 times farther than the Moon's distance from Earth. This close proximity allows for a detailed study of the asteroid, and astronomers are seizing the opportunity to collect data that could answer some of the most profound questions in astronomy. One of the key goals of this study is to understand the asteroid's composition. By analyzing the light that reflects off its surface, astronomers can determine what elements and minerals are present in 3i divided by Atlas. This information will help scientists learn more about the building blocks of other star systems and how they compare to our own solar system. For example, if 3i divided by Atlas is made of materials that are not typically found in objects from our solar system, it could suggest that the star system it came from has undergone processes different from our own. These findings could shed light on the early stages of planetary formation, the conditions under which stars and planets form, and the ways in which matter interacts in the cosmos. In addition to studying its composition, scientists are also eager to observe the object's behavior as it moves through the solar system. Objects that enter our solar system from interstellar space often behave differently from objects that are native to the system. Their speeds, trajectories, and even the way they interact with the solar wind and the sun's magnetic field can provide valuable clues about the conditions in interstellar space. 3i divided by Atlas will give scientists a chance to study these interactions up close, offering insights into how objects from outside our solar system influence the space around them. This encounter with 3i divided by Atlas is not just about studying an individual asteroid, it is about expanding our understanding of the universe. It is a reminder that the solar system we call home is just a tiny speck in the vastness of space. We have been exploring our own solar system for decades, sending spacecraft to distant planets, moons, and comets, but we have only just begun to scratch the surface of what lies beyond. 3i divided by Atlas represents an opportunity to look beyond our own backyard, to observe objects that have traveled through the emptiness of interstellar space, and to learn from them in ways that will expand our understanding of the cosmos. As 3i divided by Atlas moves closer to Mars, its passage will serve as a milestone in our exploration of space. This is not just a scientific event, it is a reminder of the boundless possibilities that await us in the universe. The data collected tonight will contribute to a growing body of knowledge that will help us understand the origins of stars, planets, and life itself. And perhaps, as we continue to explore the universe, we will discover even more objects like 3i divided by Atlas interstellar wanderers, traveling from distant stars to visit our solar system and offering us a glimpse into the unknown. For now, we watch as 3i divided by Atlas nears its closest point to Mars. Its speed, its glowing surface, and its mysterious origins all serve as a reminder of how much we still have to learn. Tonight, we are witnesses to a rare and fleeting moment, a moment that will inspire future generations of explorers to continue searching the stars, to ask questions, and to seek answers in the boundless reaches of space. As the asteroid passes by Mars, it will continue its journey into the vast unknown, leaving behind a trail of questions and discoveries. And though it may be gone from our solar system in the blink of an eye, its legacy will live on in the data we gather and the lessons we learn from this incredible event. As 3i divided by Atlas draws closer to Mars, the implications of its approach extend far beyond the scientific community. While astronomers are feverishly collecting data and analyzing every detail of the asteroid's trajectory, speed, and composition, the greater significance of this encounter lies in what it reveals about our place in the universe. The very presence of 3i divided by Atlas, an interstellar object in our solar system, challenges our assumptions about the vastness of space and our understanding of the forces that govern it. The study of 3i divided by Atlas, while exciting on a technical level, also stirs something deeper, a sense of awe and wonder at the mysteries of the cosmos. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars, speculating about the existence of other worlds, other civilizations, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. While we have made significant strides in understanding our own solar system, the vast expanse of interstellar space remains largely uncharted. Tonight, as 3i divided by Atlas approaches Mars, we are reminded that the universe is full of surprises and that our exploration has only just begun. In many ways, the study of 3i divided by Atlas is a continuation of humanity's long-standing fascination with the unknown. From the earliest civilizations, humans have gazed at the stars, wondering what lies beyond the limits of our planet. The discovery of objects like 3i divided by Atlas is a testament to our relentless curiosity and our desire to push the boundaries of knowledge. It is also a reminder of how far we've come in our exploration of the cosmos. Just a few decades ago, the idea of studying interstellar objects like 3i divided by Atlas would have seemed impossible. But today, thanks to advancements in technology and our growing understanding of space, we are able to track, observe, and study objects from far beyond our solar system. But what does the presence of 3i divided by Atlas really mean for the future of space exploration? As we continue to expand our reach beyond Earth, the data we collect from interstellar objects like 3i divided by Atlas will help us refine our methods of tracking and studying distant space objects. We are learning how to observe and analyze the composition of objects that travel at incredible speeds, passing through our solar system without being caught in its gravitational grasp. This knowledge will be essential as we look toward future missions to the outer planets, moons, and beyond. Moreover, studying objects like 3i divided by Atlas could help us better understand the fundamental processes that govern the formation of stars and planets. By analyzing the composition of 3i divided by Atlas, scientists can gain insights into the materials that make up distant star systems. Perhaps this object carries with it the building blocks of planets, moons, and even life, materials that could help answer some of the most profound questions about the origins of our solar system and the possibility of life beyond Earth. One of the most intriguing aspects of 3i divided by Atlas is the mystery of its origins. Where did it come from? What kind of star system does it hail from? These questions are not just academic, they are fundamental to our understanding of the universe. The study of interstellar objects like 3i divided by Atlas could help scientists piece together the history of the universe itself. By studying the composition of these objects and the conditions in which they form, we can learn more about the early stages of stellar evolution and the processes that lead to the birth of stars and planets. As 3i divided by Atlas passes by Mars, it will offer astronomers a chance to study it in unprecedented detail. Instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope and other powerful observatories will be used to gather data on the asteroid's size, shape, and surface features. By analyzing the light that reflects off 3i divided by Atlas, scientists will be able to determine what materials make up the asteroid's body, and perhaps even uncover clues about its chemical composition and structure. The glowing cracks on its surface, which have fascinated astronomers, will be studied in great detail, offering further insights into the conditions that the asteroid has endured on its journey through interstellar space. But the scientific value of 3i divided by Atlas is not the only reason this event is so significant. Its passage through our solar system serves as a reminder of the vastness of space and the ongoing need for exploration. The universe is so much bigger than we can imagine, and the more we explore, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. Tonight's event is a reminder that our journey into the cosmos is just beginning. There are countless other objects out there, waiting to be discovered, each one with its own story to tell. As we continue to track and study 3i divided by Atlas, we are also reminded of our own place in the universe. Despite all our technological advancements, we are still a relatively small part of a much larger cosmic story. 3i divided by Atlas's journey through our solar system is just one chapter in the ongoing narrative of the universe. And while this chapter may be brief, it offers us a chance to learn, to grow, and to push the boundaries of what we know. The close approach of 3i divided by Atlas to Mars also serves as a reminder of the importance of planetary exploration. Mars, the red planet, has been the subject of fascination for centuries. From the early telescopic observations of its surface to the latest rover missions, humanity has long been captivated by the idea that Mars may have once harbored life. The study of Mars, along with objects like 3i divided by Atlas, is helping us piece together the puzzle of our solar system's history and the potential for life beyond Earth. NASA's Perseverance rover, which is currently on Mars, is tasked with exploring the planet's surface and searching for signs of ancient life. It is gathering valuable data about Mars's geology, atmosphere, and history, all of which will help scientists determine if the planet was ever habitable. As 3i divided by Atlas approaches Mars, it reminds us of the interconnectedness of our exploration efforts. The study of interstellar objects and the study of Mars are both pieces of a larger puzzle, one that will ultimately help us answer the biggest questions about our universe. In the coming years, as we continue to explore space, we will undoubtedly encounter more objects like 3i divided by Atlas. Some of them will come from other star systems, while others will be born within our own. The study of these objects will help us understand more about the forces that shape the universe and the conditions that lead to the formation of stars and planets. We will learn more about the building blocks of life and the potential for life to exist beyond Earth. The passage of 3i divided by Atlas tonight is just the beginning. As we continue to study this remarkable object, we will gain new insights into the nature of space and time, and we will be reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The universe is vast, and it is full of mysteries. With every discovery, we move one step closer to understanding the true nature of the cosmos and our place within it. Tonight, as 3i divided by Atlas makes its closest approach to Mars, we are reminded of how far we have come in our understanding of space and how much farther we have yet to go. The data we collect from this encounter will help guide the next generation of explorers as they venture further into the unknown. As we look up at the stars, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that await us and of the countless mysteries yet to be uncovered. As 3i divided by Atlas continues its journey beyond Mars, it will leave behind a legacy of discovery, inspiring future generations to look up at the stars and reach for the unknown. It is a symbol of humanity's unyielding desire to explore, to learn, and to understand the universe in all its vastness. And while tonight marks the end of its brief passage through our solar system, it is only the beginning of our journey to the stars. As 3i divided by Atlas moves away from Mars and continues its journey beyond our solar system, the significance of this event remains. This brief encounter between an interstellar object and a planet in our solar system may seem like just a passing moment, but it is far from it. The scientific data collected will have a lasting impact on our understanding of space and will help shape the future of exploration. This event is a turning point, a moment when humanity has the opportunity to answer some of the oldest questions about our place in the universe. One of the most profound implications of this event is the realization that we are not alone in the universe. The discovery of 3i divided by Atlas and other potential interstellar objects like it challenges the assumption that our solar system is a self-contained entity isolated from the rest of the galaxy. Instead, we are part of a larger cosmic system, a dynamic and interconnected network of stars, planets, and objects. The fact that objects from other star systems can pass through our own suggests that our solar system is just one of many in an expansive and ever-changing universe. We are not isolated. We are part of something far greater. This realization has profound implications for the future of space exploration. If 3i divided by Atlas is just one of many interstellar objects that pass through our solar system, what else might we find in the future? Will we encounter more objects like it? And if we do, how will we study them? These are questions that will drive the next generation of astronomers, scientists, and explorers. The discovery of 3i divided by Atlas opens the door to the possibility of further interstellar exploration of objects that come from beyond our solar system, perhaps from other galaxies. These discoveries will change our understanding of the universe and inspire humanity to reach for the stars like never before. As we continue to study 3i divided by Atlas, scientists will analyze the data gathered during its passage through our solar system, seeking to answer questions about its composition, its velocity, and the forces that shaped it. The glowing cracks on its surface, which have fascinated astronomers, will be studied in detail, providing new insights into the physical processes that occur in deep space. These observations will help us understand how objects from other star systems interact with our solar system, how they are shaped by the forces they encounter, and what they can tell us about the nature of space itself. But beyond the technical and scientific discoveries, 3i divided by Atlas offers something more, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. As we continue to explore space, we will encounter many more objects, some familiar, others entirely new, that will challenge our understanding of the cosmos. These encounters will test our abilities, our technology, and our knowledge, but they will also push us forward, driving us to explore further, to discover more, and to seek answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. The passage of 3i divided by Atlas is just one chapter in the ongoing story of space exploration. It is a reminder that, while we have learned much about our solar system, the universe remains full of unknowns. The future of space exploration lies in uncovering these mysteries, in venturing beyond the known into the vast and unexplored reaches of the galaxy and beyond. The data gathered from 3i divided by Atlas will serve as a foundation for future missions that may one day travel to interstellar objects, study them up close, and unlock even greater secrets about the origins of our universe. This is an exciting time for space exploration. We stand on the brink of a new era, one in which humanity will reach farther than ever before. The discoveries made tonight will inspire future generations of explorers to look up at the stars and dream of what lies beyond. It is a time for curiosity, for ambition, and for the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The passing of 3i divided by Atlas is not the end of our journey. It is just the beginning of what promises to be an incredible adventure. As we continue to study 3i divided by ATLAS, we will also turn our attention to other objects in the cosmos. The study of asteroids, comets, and interstellar objects will be a key focus of space missions in the coming decades. As technology advances, we will develop new ways to explore these objects, to study them up close, and to learn more about the processes that shape them. Future missions may send spacecraft to land on these objects, to study their surfaces and collect samples, and to gather data that will reveal even more about the origins of our solar system and the wider universe. But before we move forward, let us take a moment to appreciate the significance of this event. The encounter between 3i divided by Atlas and Mars is a reminder of how far we have come in our exploration of space, and how much more there is to discover. It's a moment that will be remembered for generations to come, a milestone in the history of astronomy that will inspire future explorers to reach for the stars. And as we look to the future, we can only imagine the discoveries that await us. The universe is vast, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface. As 3i divided by Atlas continues its journey into the depths of space, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The data we have gathered will serve as a springboard for future exploration, as we continue to push the boundaries of what we know and venture into the unknown. In the coming years, we may discover more interstellar objects, study them in greater detail, and learn more about the nature of space, time, and the forces that govern the cosmos. In the meantime, we continue our exploration of Mars, of asteroids, and of the planets in our solar system. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe, and each new mission brings us one step closer to the stars. As we look up at the night sky tonight, let us be reminded of the infinite wonders that lie beyond our reach, and let us continue to reach for them with the same curiosity and determination that has driven humanity's exploration of space for centuries. As the brief encounter between 3I divided by Atlas and our solar system comes to a close, the significance of this event will remain etched in the history of space exploration. In the span of just a few weeks, humanity has had the unprecedented opportunity to witness the passage of an interstellar object, a visitor from another star system. Though it will soon leave our solar system, the data gathered from this encounter will have lasting effects, shaping the future of our understanding of space and the exploration of the unknown. Tonight's event has reminded us of the vastness of the universe and the profound mysteries it holds. 3I divided by Atlas's journey through the cosmos has spanned millions, if not billions, of years, and its passing through our solar system offers us a fleeting glimpse into the depths of space. It is a reminder of how much we have yet to discover and how small we are in the grand scheme of the universe. Yet, despite our smallness, we have managed to reach out to the stars, to understand more about the cosmos than any generation before us, and to push the boundaries of knowledge in ways that were once thought impossible. The passage of 3I divided by Atlas has shown us that our solar system is not an isolated pocket in the vast expanse of space, but rather a part of something much larger, a vast, interconnected web of stars, planets, and objects. Objects like 3I divided by Atlas remind us that we are part of a larger cosmic system, one that is constantly changing, evolving, and interacting with other parts of the universe. The knowledge we gain from studying these interstellar visitors will help us better understand the forces that shape stars and planets, and the processes that govern the formation of celestial bodies. As we continue to explore space, we will encounter more interstellar objects. The data collected from 3I divided by Atlas will serve as a foundation for future missions, guiding scientists as they track and study other objects that come from beyond our solar system. This is just the beginning of a new era in space exploration, one that will take us farther than we have ever gone before. In the years to come, we may send spacecraft to study interstellar objects up close, and who knows what other mysteries they will reveal. The encounter with 3I divided by Atlas has also reminded us of the importance of planetary exploration. As 3I divided by Atlas passed near Mars, we were reminded of the importance of studying not just the objects that come to us from beyond, but the planets and moons that make up our solar system. Mars, with its long history of exploration, continues to be a focal point for the search for life beyond Earth. The data we have collected from 3I divided by Atlas, combined with the ongoing study of Mars through missions like Perseverance, will help us piece together the puzzle of our solar system's history and the possibility of life on other planets. In the years to come, humanity's reach will extend further into space. We will continue to study objects like 3I divided by Atlas, and we will continue to look beyond our solar system for answers to some of the most profound questions in science. The future of space exploration is filled with possibilities, new discoveries, new technologies, and new frontiers to explore. The data we've gathered from 3I divided by Atlas will serve as a foundation for this future exploration, helping us to refine our methods for studying objects from interstellar space and to better understand the forces at play in the universe. But perhaps the most profound lesson from this encounter is the reminder that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Every interstellar object, every asteroid, every comet that passes through our solar system offers us a chance to learn more about the cosmos and our place within it. And while we may never fully understand the vastness of space or the true nature of the universe, the pursuit of knowledge and the desire to explore will continue to drive us forward. Tonight, as 3I divided by Atlas moves farther from Mars and continues its journey into the depths of space, we are reminded that this is just the beginning. The event may be over, but the discoveries it has prompted will continue to unfold. The legacy of 3I divided by Atlas will live on in the data we have collected and the knowledge we have gained. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what other mysteries the universe has in store for us. The journey of 3I divided by Atlas through our solar system has been a momentous event, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities for discovery. It has been a reminder that though we are small in the grand scheme of things, our ability to explore, to understand, and to learn is limitless. As we continue our journey into the stars, we will carry the lessons we've learned from 3I divided by Atlas with us. And who knows what other cosmic visitors we will encounter in the years to come. As we stand at the edge of the unknown, we are reminded that the universe is not a place to fear, but a place to explore, to learn, and to grow. The passing of 3I divided by Atlas is just one chapter in the ongoing story of humanity's exploration of space. And though the chapter may end tonight, the story is far from over.